forward from let's go.
Shouts out to Mr. Benavides. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. Once upon a time I met a girl named Jane. She was a math freak that knew how to speak. Although she was a geek, she was my solution. There was no confusion, it was true, she was my variable. My math teacher said never to disrespect. He taught me how to use slope intercept by plugging in the variables of y equals mx plus b. X and y are the coordinates, m is the slope of rise over run. B is the y-intercept where the lines cross. Choose the right pathway, don't get lost. It's fascinating when you have a clue to Algebra 2. It's easy like untightening a screw. Those that don't pay attention are mostly at detention. Let's start to mention about quadratic formulas. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared. Subtract from AC. Divide the whole equation by 2a. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. It's 3 o'clock on Tuesday here in Cool J. Jamba Juice sipping on a smoothie. Math investing, I'm digesting, manifesting. Maximum values, pump up the volume. Using and abusing f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. As you proceed this newsfeed, experimenting outcomes of probability. Words increasing with agility, call it longevity. Flowing on this melody, no need for popularity. Essentially all you need in life is math. I'm pressing on the gas, it's simple math. This is an unofficial dismissal, passing it on to Simon. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool.
We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. Now this is a rap, so listen real close as I take you through a journey through Algebra 2 slow. Give me a chance to show you what I know, and I'll be sure to make your brain grow a little bit more. Just chilling at school on a cloudy afternoon, thinking about the problems as I get ready to solve them. Soon to be seen on the big clean screen. Thinking about math, are you ready to pass? Never in pass, our class, always moving so fast. Not even time for a chat, just looking for my rice hat. Asian persuasion, come at me with your equations. I be patient, helping out on rare occasions. Now it's time to learn how to add like terms. As I introduce the matrix, getting ready to explain the basics. An array of constants in rows and columns.
We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool.
At school with a lot of distractions, just sitting here trying to divide all these fractions. Temperature is rising, what's the equation's degree? Take a moment to find the highest exponent you see. I forgot to inform to put the polynomial in standard form.
We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. Passing on my classes, no aggression. Progressing straight lines that are regression. Lines that best fits all I recall. Phase shifting, translation of horizontal trigonometric functions. Afternoon luncheon, I'm munching. Learn iteration, sort of an irritation. Composing functions alone repeatedly. I'm steadily stealthy, see. Past your speed, leaving you in the dust, no fuss. Trust is a must, I'm very skeptical of skewed distribution. Curve or histogram that is not corresponding. I'm very quick at responding, reappearing, overall appearance. clearance sale on Friday. They're having a sales clearance. Girls be cheering, steering, ears hearing. Rear view, car steering from left to right. Insight, step into my region, full of inequalities that are open. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so use it, you fool. We in high school learning Algebra 2. Math is a tool, so